Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for options trading. We will begin by exploring the platform's powerful capabilities designed specifically for options. You will learn to navigate its intuitive interface, access real-time market data, and leverage advanced analytical tools. This will help you customize your trading environment for maximum efficiency, setting a strong foundation for your options journey. Next, let's set up your first options trade. Head over to the Trade tab, which is your command center. Here, you will select the underlying stock or ETF you wish to trade. Then, pick an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. Finally, choose from a wide array of options strategies, perhaps a simple call or put, or a more complex spread. Now, let's dive into analyzing the options chain. This crucial step involves examining various strike prices and their corresponding premiums. You can use the built-in strategy roller to easily adjust or roll complex trades, saving you valuable time. Always take a moment to evaluate the potential risk and reward profiles of your chosen strategy before committing to an order. Finally, it is time to execute and manage your trades. Once you are confident in your strategy, place your order with just one click. After execution, keep a close eye on your open positions within the Monitor tab. This allows you to track performance in real time. Remember to adjust or close trades proactively as market conditions evolve, ensuring effective risk management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.